Did you ever wonder about the story behind that slice of birthday cake? It all started with the ancient Greeks. They baked round cakes to honor Artemis, the moon goddess, with the round shape symbolizing the full moon. Fast forward to the Middle Ages. The Germans brought us Kinderfest, a birthday celebration for children. This tradition popularized cake as a birthday staple. But what about those candles? They were believed to carry wishes up to the gods. Now let's talk decorations. Sugar, once a luxury, became widely available in the 19th century. This sweet revolution led to the icing and edible decorations we adore today. From the traditional Danish kajman to the Japanese fruit cake, birthday cakes have evolved into various delicious forms worldwide. Each carries its own cultural significance, but they all share one common thread. They bring joy to birthday celebrations. So next time you blow out your candles, remember, you're partaking in a tradition centuries in the making. Enjoy that slice of history.